Hey, so I came across your website and I just want to give some feedback on this. And I commend it. It's so clean. And yeah, the phone number is here and a client could easily see this if they need to contact you to contact you directly. And yeah, there are a lot of things to read and to see, and also the services are here. That's really good. The address, and yes, the address is here, and the email address. So now, let's take a look what's happened online as far as what people on the Google searcher see. Let's take a look at the customer looking for a service would see on Google, and what we are looking right now. We're gonna send you. What we are looking at right now is a ranking grid. This is a ranking grid, and you can see you are number 3 right here in the corner area, which is your Google profile location. That around that, it drops off quickly here and also here. And one of the suggestions we are giving business on this right now is to put another profile and a website in another corner of the city that you want to grow into. Let's take a look. Let's take a quick look that wait, I'm gonna show it to you. See Apolo. Now, as you can see, this is your ranking. As you can see, you're at the 28th position. This is where you're ranking overall in the entire area. So above you and the following after you are the businesses, so also give same what's this job or the same offer that you do. So services that you offer also the same, you have the same services that you offer with another company. So you know what we are thinking or what we can suggest, like I said before, is another website and another business Google profile. We're going to send you an example of a website that we built as a test model that we could brand for you and help you put another profile that to get you more jobs or more work to do. Now, if you're interested or if you have any inquiries, please let us know and we are happy to assist you. Yeah. Thank you.